Hi, I'm Urvish with Originality.ai. We are an online AI content and plagiarism detector with 99% accuracy rating for detecting AI generated content. I'm going to demonstrate our free AI text shortener tool that's going to summarize your text input. So let's take a look at it. So that's how our text shortener tool looks like. Here you can put an input. I'm just going to simply copy and paste my input here. Then we have tone of voices. We have a number of options to choose from. I'm just gonna keep default for now. Then we have target audience, and you can choose whichever language you want from the list down here. And here are the important words that you want to include it in your output. And then hit generate if you agree to our terms and conditions. And here's the output. As you could see, we have two features here. One is copy and the other one is fine tune. You can copy the whole output, and for the fine tune you need to hit fine tune and click on whatever word you like. I'm just gonna click on atmosphere and it will auto tune that word to a different word. And that's how our text shortener tool is. And that was pretty easy, right? And with feature like fine tune and target audience, it makes our tool stand out. We have lots of more tools like this. You could find them using the link given in description down below. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Urvish with Originality AI saying you goodbye.